So if you guys get back to the editing room and you see a little spot in your photograph, I'm gonna show you how to edit that out in Photoshop. So you open up your photo in Photoshop. You can see the speck in the upper right corner here. This is from a piece of dust on my sensor that I haven't cleaned off yet. So you're gonna hold the Alt key while you scroll in with your mouse, zoom into that real far. You can hold the spacebar key and it brings up the hand tool and you can move it around like that. Let go of spacebar. Hold Alt again to zoom out if you're in too far. Now, you're gonna go over here and you're gonna click Clone Stamp tool. You're gonna right click with your mouse to figure out the shape, the size of this thing. So if you increase it this way, it gets bigger. If you decrease it that way, it gets smaller. You wanna be a little bit bigger than the speck, kind of like that. Now the hardness, you can play around with this thing and you'll figure out what this does. Basically it's how hard or soft your fine line is gonna be around the edge of this circle thing here. Now you're gonna press the Alt button again, press and hold while you click somewhere on your screen. Wherever you click, that is gonna be where you take the sample from. If I click and get the sample from up here, my dot is gonna be blue because it's taking the sample from up here where it's really blue. You wanna pick somewhere that's the exact same style or the exact same coloring. So just click right here. It's about the same color, right? It's about the same type of color. Put it over, you can click once, and there you go, your dust is gone. And now your picture looks 100% better, and you're good to go. All right guys, hopefully that helped you out a little bit. See you later.